Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Mohammed Daniel, and I'm truly excited to share my experience after completing an intensive and highly rewarding Excel Masterclass. This course took me from familiar basics into the depths of advanced data processing, automation, and even predictive analytics. When I joined, I was already comfortable using Excel for basic tasks. But this masterclass opened up completely new dimensions I hadn't tapped into before. From mastering lookup formulas to automating workflows with VBA, and even integrating Python for advanced analytics, this wasn't just about learning Excel. It was about transforming how I analyze, automate, and visualize data. So, let me walk you through each module and what I was able to build, learn, and apply. We kicked things off with the fundamentals, but not the boring kind. This module focused on making your foundations rock solid, especially for professional work environments. I learned how to clean messy data, apply formatting standards, and build formulas like SUMIFs, text and conditional formatting rules to make my spreadsheet more dynamic and easier to understand. In my day one assignment, I worked on a sales summary sheet. It wasn't just about numbers, it was about telling a clean story through well-organized rows, calculated metrics, and visual cues. Through this module, I realized that attention to detail in formatting like color codes, borders, date formatting, or structured tables can massively boost how others interpret your data. So even before the advanced content, I was already beginning to see how thoughtful Excel design can make data far more powerful. In Module 2, I entered what I'd call the power user zone of Excel. We focused on advanced lookup formulas like XLOOKUP, index, and match, which completely changed how I navigate and manage large datasets. I also created dynamic pivot tables in my day. To assignment, these allowed me to summarize thousands of rows into clean, meaningful reports within seconds. No manual filtering, no scrolling, just smart, structured insight. The real takeaway? Excel can do intelligent reporting on its own if you know how to ask the right questions using functions. Module 3 was a game changer. Through macros and VBA, I learned to automate repetitive tasks, things like cleaning data, formatting reports, and generating monthly summaries with just one button click. It's like giving Excel a memory and personality. For me, it shifted Excel from being a static tool to a living, responsive assistant. In Module 4, DWO then took a futuristic leap using Python inside Excel. From trend forecasting to regression analysis, I explored how to bring basic data science right into the spreadsheet. My Day 3 dashboard visualizes real-time metrics using DAX and interactive charts, all based on clean data ready for real-world use. It was my proudest output from the entire course. This masterclass wasn't just about Excel, it was about thinking like a data analyst, a problem solver, and even a decision maker. I now feel confident to apply these skills in real projects, whether it's reporting, teaching, or even building smart automation tools. Thank you for listening, and I'm truly excited for what's next.